Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about how to improve your English speaking. English is a very important language. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. So, how can you improve your English speaking? We have some tips and strategies for you. 1. You need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, or even alone. You can talk to yourself in English. You can say, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. 2. Listen to English every day. Listening is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words, pronunciation, and how to form sentences. You can listen to English story. Watch English movies, listen to English radio, or watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English. Go to places where people speak English. Listen to them and learn. 3. Read English books. Reading is very good for learning English. When you read, you learn new words and sentence structure. You can read easy books, children's books, newspapers, magazines, anything in English. When you read out loud to help with speaking. You can also read with a friend and take turns. This is a great way to practice. 4. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher, friends, or family for help. They will guide you and help you say things correctly. Don't be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. 5. Think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, you will speak better. Start with small things. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." When you see a book, think, "This is a book." When you are hungry, think, "I am hungry." When you are tired, think, "I am tired." Thinking in English will make speaking easier. 6. Learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can express more ideas. Use a dictionary to learn new words. Write the new words in a notebook and try to use them in sentences. This will help you remember them. 7. Speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it's easier to pronounce words correctly. It also makes it easier for people to understand you. Don't speak too fast. Take your time, think about what you want to say, and then say it slowly. 8. Have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have fun, you will want to learn more. You can play games, sing songs, watch funny movies, or talk with friends in English. Doing fun activities will make learning easier. 9. Make English-speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is very helpful. You can practice speaking with them, and they can help you with any mistakes. They can teach you new words. You can learn about their culture, and you can learn how people speak English in different countries. Making friends who speak English can be very fun and helpful. 10. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a good way to practice. You can listen to yourself, hear your mistakes, and notice how you sound. Practice saying the words correctly. You can also ask your friends or teacher to listen to your recording. They can help you with your mistakes. Recording yourself is very helpful for improving your English. 11. Mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good way to learn how to speak. You can listen to native speakers and try to speak like them. You can copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Mimicking native speakers can help you sound more natural when you speak English. 12. Use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror can help you. You can see yourself when you speak, watch your mouth, and observe how you say the words. You can practice your facial expressions and gestures. Using a mirror can help you improve your speaking. 13. Write scripts for conversations. Writing scripts can help you prepare for conversations. You can write down what you want to say and different responses, then practice the script out loud. Writing scripts can help you feel more confident when speaking. 14. Set goals. Setting goals is very important. Set small goals. For example, learn 5 new words every day. Practice speaking for 10 minutes daily, or read 1 book a month. Setting goals can help you stay motivated. 15. Reward yourself. When you reach your goals, reward yourself. This can help you stay motivated. For example, if you learn 5 new words daily for a week, reward yourself with a treat. If you practice speaking every day for a month, reward yourself with something you like. Rewarding yourself can make learning English more fun. 16. Be patient. Learning a new language takes time. You need to be patient. You won't become fluent in one day. Practice every day and keep trying. You will make mistakes, but this is okay. Do not give up. Be patient and keep practicing. 17. Use English in your daily life. Try to use English as much as you can. Write your shopping list in English. Take notes in English. Talk to your pets in English. And think in English. Using English in your daily life will help you improve. 18. Practice pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced in English. English pronunciation can be tricky because some words are spelled similarly but pronounced differently. Practice saying words slowly and clearly and try to mimic the correct pronunciation you hear from native speakers. 19. Take note of your progress. Keep track of your improvement in speaking English. Celebrate your achievements, whether big or small. Reflect on what you have learned and what areas you still need to work on. This will keep you motivated and focused on your goal of improving your English speaking. 20. Practice speaking in different situations. Try to practice speaking English in various situations, such as ordering food at a restaurant, making phone calls, or giving presentations. Each situation requires different language skills and will help you become more confident in using English. 21. Stay motivated and persistent. Learning a language takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goal of improving your English-speaking skills. Set realistic expectations and be patient with yourself as you progress. In conclusion, improving your English speaking skills requires dedication and practice. Use these tips and strategies to enhance your language ability step by step. Remember, each small effort you make towards speaking English better will bring you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the journey of mastering a new language. Thank you.